Hello everyone,
Hello.
Assalamu alaikum and Adab. Welcome to back our new blog. How are you all doing at present? Hope that all of you are well. So today we have also come a very interesting place as you can see. So actually today we have come Thakurgaon Government College. This college is located in Thakurgaon district. Alright, so this actually to be honest, this Thakurgaon college, government college is one of the most popular and famous college in Thakurgaon district. Alright, so actually to be honest that we have come here for just 5 minutes and just to feel the nature, and this is our first time to visit here. So I want to explore the things that and how much beautiful the place is, and after coming here I can really feel that. Now guys, my sister Maliha will tell you something about this college and why have we come here and so on. So Maliha, what would you like to tell the viewers? Could you please tell?
Yes, now I'm going to tell you that I have come here a new place, as you know, and you know that it is located in Thakurgaon, and it's a college, and it's so famous for this town. And this college name is Thakurgaon Government College. It is so huge college. You know, I have come here in my first time in my life. You know, I have come here for just visiting, and also after coming here, I feel so impressed that what a beautiful college is this, and I am so surprised to come here. Now we are going to show you just department. Now we have come building, and I have told you that I will show you a department, and over there, as you can see, it is a office for principal.
Okay guys, so now we are going to show you some more departments such as Bangla, Science, Islam, and so on. So guys, as you can see, after some seconds later, we have come. This is Arts department, and here you can see this is a building, and this building is very ancient. This is why it is actually destroyable. Now I'm going to show you one more, that is Science department. Okay, so guys, now as you can see, we are in front of Science department. So Maliha, where we are?
We are in a Science department.
So guys, actually to be honest, the place is really very incredible, you know. And there are some flowers, as you can see, actually beside us, behind us. So after coming here, I'm really very successful and to enjoy and to make a blog video, because my just intention was that I will try to give you some entertainment, so that you can explore some new place. So guys, right now I am in front of three department, and in the ground floor there is a geology department. In the first floor there is botany department, and in the second floor there is math department. And so actually it is very interesting. I haven't seen this type of department, that in a building there are three departments. So guys, actually I also want to give you some information about this college, Government College of Thakurgaon, that if you come here, you can study first year or to actually honors. Okay, so it's really very proud for us that without going somewhere, we can actually complete our honors. You will be glad to know that my mother has already completed his honors here.
Now guys, Muwaj has already told you so many things. Now I'm going to finish this. If you come here, you can get many things, and after coming here, I feel so proud that it's a government college, and you know that background of this college is so amazing. Thanks for watching this video, and if you agree, please like, comment, and share our video, and see you later on new vacation, new another video. Now that's it for today. Goodbye.